We are the students of 10th class DAV Central Public School Sirsa, and today we are forming an image by a convex lens, and we have experimentally proving that the image is formed as real, inverted, and of same size if kept in the center of curvature of the lens. And now in this experiment we have taken a convex lens, a stand, an optical bunch, an object, and which taken as candle. And now we are taking a surface, it is white, and on which the image will be formed. In this we have taken the distance as 2f behind the lens and 2f in front of the lens, and the image will be formed with a real, inverted, and of same size. And it is called, this is possible because of the convex lens, which is a converging lens. And if we have a concave lens, the image will be formed in virtual and erect, but of diminished. Now in this, if we keep the object and bring the object close to the lens, then the image will be formed and will be enlarged and magnified. And if we will take the object away from the lens, and now the image will be formed with diminished. Thank you. Have a nice day.